How to Reslove Canon Printer, Not Printing Issue. Step-by-step troubleshooting guide for Canon printers, not printing. 1. Basic checks. Ensure the printer is powered on. Make sure all cables are securely connected. Check the printer's display for any error messages or blinking lights. Verify there is paper in the tray and no paper jams. Ensure ink or toner cartridges are installed correctly and are not empty. 2. Check printer status on your computer. For Windows, open Control Panel. Devices and Printers. Right-click your Canon printer and select See What's Printing. Cancel any stuck print jobs. Make sure the printer is set as the default printer. For macOS, go to System Preferences, Printers and Scanners. Select your Canon printer. Cancel or resume print jobs as needed. 3. Restart devices. Turn off the printer and unplug it. Restart your computer. Plug the printer back in and power it on. 4. Run the Windows Troubleshooter, if applicable. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Select Printer and run the Troubleshooter. 5. Reinstall or update printer drivers. Uninstall the printer from your computer. Visit Canon's official support website and download the latest drivers for your printer model. Reinstall the printer using the correct drivers. 6. Verify wireless or USB connection. If using USB, try a different USB port or cable. If using Wi-Fi, ensure the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. You can print a network status page from the printer to confirm connection details. 7. Print a test page. From the printer control panel or software on your computer, print a test page to confirm printing functionality. 8. Clean the print head for Inkjet models. Use the printer menu or Canon software utility to run a cleaning cycle. If necessary, run a deep cleaning cycle. 9. Try another device attempt to print from a different computer or mobile device. This helps determine whether the issue is with the printer or your original device. 10. Check for firmware updates. Visit Canon's support site and look for any firmware updates for your model. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.